Today we'll make bootable pen drive. For this you'll need a pen drive and high-speed internet. Press Window plus S, type the specie, click on Open, select the USB drive, right click on it, click on Format, select NTFS in a file system and click on Start. You need to have your pen drive fully empty in order to make it bootable. So let's format it. So once your pen drive is fully empty, go to the video description. You'll have a link there. This link, open that link, so scroll down and click on download tool now. Once it has downloaded, go to the file location where it is downloaded. Here for me it's in downloads. Inside download, double click on that media creation tool. Let it open, and if prompted for anything, accept it. It will take few minutes to get your things ready. Once that is done, you'll be asked to accept the license. Accept it. Again it will work something in the background to get things ready and start downloading your Windows 10 setup. Remember, Windows 10 is of around 4 GB, so you'll need a 4 GB data. So here when this comes, click on create installation media and then click on next. Now by default you'll have this settings, the one that is currently installed in your system. If you want to make any changes like language, architecture, edition, you'll have to deselect this and then make the change. For example, if you want to make 32-bit or 64-bit, select the one that you want. The language that which you want to install your operating system Windows, and then I will use here the default settings. So I have selected that box. Once you have decided, click on next. Click on USB flash drive. Click on next. Now it will show you the list of drives. Select the one USB drive that you have formatted and click on next. This process will take time as it will download 4 GB of data. If you have high-speed internet, your process will run fast. If it's not, it will take some time. So let it download. Once that has downloaded, it will verify your download. Then create a Windows 10 media. So this will be automatic process. It will go on. So it says your USB flash drive is ready. So click on finish. Your bootable pen drive is ready. Now open your bootable drive. You'll see setup and the boot folder. I hope this has helped you create a bootable pen drive. Please help us by reaching 100,000 subscribers. Like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.